Blouses hold a significant place in traditional attire, especially in South Asian cultures where they are paired with sarees, lehengas, or skirts. They come in various styles, colors, and designs, adding a unique touch to every outfit. Back embroidery rich blouse. Featuring intricate embroidery on the back, this blouse seamlessly combines traditional elegance with contemporary style, adding sophistication to your look. Double neckline blouse designs. Perfect for festivals or family functions, these royal embroidery blouse designs elevate the appearance of any saree, giving it a glamorous touch. Sit blouse. For a bold and precise look, opt for zipped wedding saree blouse designs, adding a hint of whimsy and personality to your bridal ensemble. An off-shoulder designer saree blouse design. Make a bold fashion statement with this designer blouse featuring an off-shoulder design, blending contemporary allure with traditional beauty. Shine in a sequins blouse design. Dazzle in a saree blouse adorned with delicate sequins, adding a touch of glamour to your ensemble. Net blouse designs. Step up your fashion game with this classic net blouse design, perfect for weddings or festivals, making you stand out from the crowd. Boat neck blouse designs. Show off your style with this popular boat neck blouse design, offering a mesmerizing look that complements silk and designer sarees. Sleeveless blouse designs. Ideal for summer, these glamorous sleeveless blouse designs pair beautifully with matching sarees, exuding elegance and charm. Infinity blouse designs. Inspired by rural women's attire, these fashionable blouse designs offer versatility and are embraced by celebrities and fashion enthusiasts alike. Jacket-style blouse designs. Add a classy touch to your attire with these trendy blouse designs, perfect for traditional sarees and ideal for professional women seeking a distinct look. Closed-neck blouse designs. Enhance the elegance of silk sarees with closed-neck blouse designs, adding a touch of sophistication to your traditional ensemble. Deep neck blouse designs. Flatter your figure with deep neck blouse designs, suitable for all body types and perfect for any occasion or event. Crisscross blouse designs. Transform your saree look with these gorgeous crisscross blouse designs, adding a fashionable element to your evening outfit. Bell sleeves blouse designs. Elevate your party wear saree look with trendy bell sleeves blouse designs, versatile options that suit women of all ages and body types. Puff sleeve blouse designs. Add a touch of elegance and femininity to your traditional attire with puff sleeve blouse designs, aligning perfectly with any saree to create a contemporary look.